All right, guys, it's your boy Shades here. Let's go over Tesla. Too many people, they get bearish, too bearish, and the stock takes a massive nosedive. Here we go. Is it just me, or does history repeat itself? Doesn't it look like history repeats itself here? Look at this giant green arrow. That's a fat green arrow. Now, if history is going to repeat itself, this is what we would expect, like a $50 to $70 move back to the upside. It's inside this channel. Been there on the weekly. It's much more clear. If history is going to repeat itself, we're going to see this move $50 to $70. The first thing it has to do is close this gap to 208, and from there, sky's the limit, right? I mean, it doesn't have to stay within this channel. It could break out of it and go back to 300. Could also just dump from here under 160. But the fact that buyers just continue to step in, I mean, all this entire move here was nothing more than an opportunity to buy the dip. And the big play coming in next week is a break of 196. If we can break this, we're gonna go for that gap close. There's not gonna be many. There's just not gonna be much resistance. The sellers, where are they? They're nowhere to be found. They tried. They tried. There's a bunch of people that bought puts, thinking this was gonna go to 100 or something stupid like that. But you look at the long term, and you see this is it's should, technically speaking, should, despite the downside, which I'm circling, even on the weekly, we should expect upside, especially with the market still running, creating new highs, etc., etc. Look at Microsoft, even Shopify. I can go on and on. I think Tesla right now it's time to buy the dip. I actually bought at 10 shares. I didn't buy anything crazy. I bought 10 shares at around 240 because I was like, this is this is the dip, right? No, I should have waited. So if this breaks out, I'm gonna buy 10 shares, 20 shares, and hold for as long as the trend continues. Pretty obvious pattern here that a lot of people seem to ignore and just, oh, let me buy puts because I'm going to make so much money. Well, those puts got screwed, and you better believe there's some put holders that are holding, hoping it breaks down. But it's looking primed for a breakout next week, unless something absolutely catastrophic happens, something that causes a total market shock. Then I see nothing but upside here. So if you want to buy the dip, go for it. That's just my opinion based on the technicals. I could be wrong. Do your own due diligence, and I will see you guys in the next one.